Okay, let's do 75 and 76 together since they're related. We are doing 6/8 now. Up above it says six means 6 beats per measure. 8 means the eighth note receives the beat. So that's what I have written out for you here. And it's just now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've gotten used to seeing it as the quarter note gets the beat, but we can change it to this. We could change it to the 16th note gets the beat, but that's a whole lot of counting in little tiny short numbers. The feel of it, it's called a complex duple. And so initially when you first start playing it, we feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after it gets more flow, then we can feel 2 big beats throughout of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we would be conducted in 2, or you would only click on the 1 and the 4, and then you'd subdivide the entire time. So with our quarter note and our eighth note, rhythm right here, we're going to feel the 2 beats within the quarter note and then the 1 beat for here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the way that you would say it would be da, 3, da, 6, da, 3, da, 6. I eventually pretty much turn it all into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so that I don't have to worry about which syllable I'm leaving out, or which number I'm supposed to be on. And then our dotted quarter note, just like before, still gets 3/8 notes in there. So that would be da, da. So this whole thing would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da, 3, da, 3, da, da. But at the beginning, it's a really good idea to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I definitely suggest using a metronome for that, so that you don't tap your foot right off. So we're playing number 75. This is in G major. So we have the low 2 on the A and the E string. So G, 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 A, B, 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 C, 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 B, 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 A, G, 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 G. Now it ends up, we're about to do some fiddling. So this is one of the reasons I get so excited. 6/8 just opens up so much new feel. And so for fiddles, I like to do a little bit more of a downbeat for the 1 and the 4 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so it's a little bit of an exaggeration on that. And so that's not always the case, but definitely for fiddling. So let's play this. It's going to alternate for that. So that's the tricky part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's try it with the fingers. 1, 2, 3, and with the repeat. 1, 2, 3, go, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Low 2. 4, 5, 6. Good. So then 76 is just having us have that that pickup right before. So to get yourself ready, you'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And so they're changing on the 6 of all of these because she's trying to get us get ready for that. So D, G, 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 A, B, 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 C, B, 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 A, G, 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 G. All right, now let's do it with our bow, and we're going to do that repeat. So let's look at that, the last measure going into that first measure. So we're feeling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, let's do that again. Last measure to first measure. Go, 2, 3, G, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's how that feels. Right now with the bow, twice with that repeat. Well, once with the repeat. 1, it's going to be a little bow going up because we want to be a little bit fast. So we don't have to do majorly big bows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. It wasn't up, up at the end. So be careful with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,